In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Safari pop-ups. Safari blocks most pop-ups by default to keep browsing clean and secure. That's helpful for stopping intrusive ads, but some legitimate websites rely on pop-up windows for things like receipts, downloads, sign-ins, and support chats. If a site you trust isn't working as expected, enabling pop-ups can solve it. I'll walk you through the exact setting and share a few tips so you can turn it on confidently and switch it back off whenever you're done. Start by opening Safari on your Mac. You can launch it from the dock, your applications folder, or by using Spotlight Search. Once Safari is open, make sure it's the active app so the Safari menu appears at the top of your screen. Next, look for the Settings area. At the very top left of your screen, click the Safari menu. In many versions, you'll see Preferences. On some newer macOS versions, this may be labeled Settings, but it opens the same panel. Click it to open Safari's controls. Inside the panel that appears, you'll find sections that manage how websites behave. Look for the area related to web content. In older layouts, there's a clear web content section. In others, you may find the option under categories like security or websites. The key item you're looking for is the checkbox labeled Block Pop-up Windows. To enable pop-ups, remove the checkmark from Block Pop-up Windows. Unchecking that box tells Safari to allow pop-up windows across websites. There's no save button here. Safari applies the change immediately. You can close the preferences window when you're done. A couple of helpful tips as you use this setting. Allowing all pop-ups will let through both helpful and potentially annoying ones. If you only need pop-ups for a few trusted sites, look in the website section of Safari's preferences for the pop-up windows category. There, you can choose Allow for specific sites while keeping pop-ups blocked for the rest. This gives you tighter control and keeps your browsing experience cleaner. After enabling pop-ups, refresh the web page that needed them. If a download or login flow was being blocked, it should now continue in a new window. If something still doesn't appear, check whether a separate window opened behind your main one, and be sure any third-party ad blockers or extensions aren't overriding Safari's setting. When you finish the task that required pop-ups, consider turning the Block Pop-up Windows option back on to reduce distractions and improve safety. That way, you can keep pop-ups available only when you truly need them.